Higop muna tayo ng kape, mga friend. Choco Mocha, pinaghalo natin yung double espresso. Sarap. Talagang napakasarap ng templada kapag minix natin yung dalawa. Siyempre, bonggang-bongga yung ating almusal, oh. Wow! Ito yung ginataan na tulingan. Tapos ang daming sili, oh. Puro sili. Oh, yan, oh. Oh. Di ko mabilang kung ilan ang linagay ng aking katrabaho dito. Tapos ang dami ring luya. Ginataan yan. Tira ng panggabi. Kaya papapakin na natin ito, mga friend. Siyempre, gagamitan natin yan ng kamay para masarap yung ating pagkakain. Ano? Breakfast na po tayo, mga friend. Huwag kayong aalis. Sasamahan niyo po ako, mga kaibigan, sa aking pag-aalmusal. Siyempre, kailangan muna natin ng pasasalamat sa ating food sa araw na ito dahil meron na naman tayong biyaya na galing sa ating katrabaho, kaya pasalamatan natin ito, mga friend. Ayan. So, papak na po tayo sa ating almusal. Maghihigop muna tayo ng isa pang higop na malakasang kape. Oh! Sarap! Yun, no? Nako! Maanghang! Talagang the best, pakaluto. Super anghang ng luya, tsaka ng sili. Sarap, mga friend. Kain.
Sige mga friend, enjoy lang sa yung food.
Daming sili, oh.
Shout out naman dyan sa mga
Shout out kay paring
nakalimutan pa yung si shout out.
yung daming sili, oh. Iwalay na natin. Nakalimutan ko tuloy yung pangalan ng aking katrabaho dito. Sa shout out ko, nakalimutan ko. Ikaw na mag-shout out, dito ka na sa harap ko. Nakalimutan. Shout out kay Kenneth pala. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sister. How are you? How was your life? How was your family, your mother, your father, your brother, your boyfriend?
Your boyfriend, your... Aywa? You have na boyfriend?
Yes.
Aywa.
You said you don't like boyfriend. How you will have baby that one if you don't like boyfriend?
My boyfriend, my God.
Oh my God.
Yes.
You need boyfriend now? You need boyfriend now? So someone will take care of you when you get old, huh?
Yes.
Breakfast.
Breakfast today? No.
No?
Why?
Ate, not coming na.
Why? Why, Ate? What happened to Ate?
Ate, dahil na.
See, Ate? What happened to Ate? Because Ate is no boyfriend.
Not
See,
coming, Ate?
That's why you need boyfriend.
Not coming today?
Ate?
Yeah?
Yes.
Why?
Vacation.
Sick leave?
Vacation.
What?
When?
Vacation.
Vacation?
Yes.
Oh, klinik. Kinakatukan ka ni ano? Makmak.
Ano yung baso ko?
Tingnan mo yung sili, oh. Grabe, oh. 1/4 ata na silang yung lagay nito. Sarap, oh. Sarap ng pakagata. Hmm. Hindi na ako nagkain ng sili at yung sabaw niya talagang maanghang na. Sa dami pa naman ang sili, oh. Halos 1/4 kilo. Sarap ng kape. Ito, inisip po natin sa anghang. My friend, breakfast.
Yeah. You have Instagram, YouTube?
Yeah.
Channel?
YouTube.
YouTube also?
Huh?
YouTube channel also you have?
Yeah.
YouTube subscribe नहीं
No, Instagram I follow.
Instagram वाला YouTube में
YouTube I don't know.
Tiyoy Friend. My YouTube.
Huh?
Tiyoy Friend.
TOA.
Tiyoy. Tiyoy Friend.
Why not mention in Instagram your YouTube channel? Not mention.
That's better ha. Next time when I post, I mention. If I mention there, not restricted ha. Not restricted.
Well,
If I mention,
no,
it's okay no?
you can.
It's okay ha.
You can.
To like, please follow, like
No,
that,
you
like
can
that.
increase your followers with hashtag.
Hashtag ako.
good money
Ha?
good money
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah, like only 300, but it's good, no? For 2 months, 400. Yeah, it's good, no?
पैसे तो ना
I received already last week 388
From YouTube?
dirham. And then now I have earnings na 150 dirham.
How many viewers you have in YouTube?
27,000 subscribers. Only like this, eating.
Negative reach is good. Easily can go to reach.
Yeah.
young lady you lady Bra, I need food. 1 million.
1 million ha?
Yeah.
Yan, tinatanong ako ng aking mga katrabahong ibang lahi dito tungkol sa aking YouTube. Sarap sa panganghigop. Thanks for watching. Ayan, solved na naman ang ating almusal. Maraming salamat po sa biyaya ngayon. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.